Good morning students. Today we will start exercise 2.5 question number 5. See student, write the decimal numbers in the expanded form. These are the decimal number. We have to expand it. So see the first point, 20.03. Students, you know about the place value chart. So this one is our 100th. You know this thing. 10th, ones and tens. From place value chart we know that this one is a 100th, 10th, ones and tens. We have to expand it. So how we will expand it? 100 means 1 upon 100 and 10th means 1 upon 10th. Ones means 1 and tens means 10. So we will start from our left hand side. So 2 multiply with 10, then plus 0 multiply with 1 because it was a ones place. Now again 0 multiply with 1 upon 10. 0 multiply with 1 upon 10. This is 1 by 10. That is 10th place. Then 3 multiply 1 upon 100. 100th. It means this is our expanded form. So first point has been done. In similar way we will do next part 2.03. Ones place, 10th and then 100. It means 2 multiply 1 plus 0 multiply 1 upon 10 plus 3 multiply 1 upon 100. See the third point, 200.03. Ones, tens, 100. It means 2 multiply 100 plus 0 multiply 10 because it was tens. It is ones. So 0 multiply 1. Again now this one is 10th place. 0 multiply 1 upon 10. Then 3 multiply 1 upon 100. So this one our third part. Move further. Fourth part 2.034. Again ones. 2 into 1 plus 0 into 1 upon 10. 3 into 1 upon 100. And then 4 into 1 upon 1000. It was 1000 place. So this is our fifth question. Students, now question number 6. Write the place value of 2. We have to write the place value of 2 in the following decimal numbers. These are the decimal numbers. See the first part students. We have to tell just the place value. You know the place value. This one is a 100, 10th and this one is a ones. So it means the place value of 2 is ones. So we will write place value of 2 in 2.56 is, that is 2. This one is ones place, so we will multiply with 1. 2 into 1. What it means? 2 ones because it was on the place of ones. Second, 21.37. We have to tell the place value of 2. We have to tell the place value of 2. So how we will write? Again this one is ones place and this one is a tens place. So answer will come out to be 2 tens. Place value of 2 in 21.37 is 10. So we will multiply with 10. That is 2 tens. Now third part student. 10.25. 10.25. We have to tell the place value of 2. This one is ones, tens, this one is tenth, and this one is hundredth. So again we will write place value of 2 in 10.25. So this one is tenth, so we will write 1 upon 10. 2 into 1 upon 10, or you can write 2 tenth. Students, see this point, we have to write tenth, th. Now, fourth point, 9.42. Again, we have to tell the place value of 2. So, ones, and this one is tenth, and this one is hundred. So, we will write place value of 2 in 9.42 is 2. This one is 100. So that is why I have written 1 upon 100. So 200th. DTH. See the spelling, students. Now fifth part, 63.352. Again we have to tell the place value of 2. If you know the place value chart that we have done in our previous lecture, so it is easy to tell. Place value of 2 in 63.352, 100. This one is tenth, 100, and this one is 1000. So 2 into 1000, 1 upon 1000. So we will write 2000. This one up. Sixth question. Question number 7. See the student. Dinesh went from place A to place B. There is a person, name is Dinesh. He went from place A to place B, and from there to place C. He went to place C. So A is 7.5 km from B. It is given, distance is given from A to B is 7.5 km. Then and B is 12.7 km from C. B and C, that distance is 12.7 km. Now there is a person, Dinesh. He went from A to B, then B to C. He reached at C. Next, Ayub went from place A. This is another person, that name is Ayub. He went from place A to place D, and from there he went to place C. It means both person, Dinesh and Ayub, both reached at point C. Now see the distance. D is 9.3 km from A. That distance is 9.3 km, and C is 11.8 from D. That distance is 11.8 km. Who traveled more and by how much? Two friends are there. Both has taken the different path. This one is Dinesh and this one is Ayub. We have to tell who covered more distance and by how much. So see student, this we have to draw. See the solution. Yes student, first we will write the distance, that is from A to B. A to B distance is 7.5 km. Then distance from B to C, 12.7 km. This one distance is given to you. Now first person is our Dinesh. So I have written name Dinesh. It means everything I am talking about the Dinesh. Dinesh, now take this path A to B, B to C. We will see total distance. What is the total distance covered by that person, that is Dinesh, from A to B then B to C. So we will add them. Whenever we have to find total distance, we will add them. So we will add them. So we will write distance traveled by Dinesh, that is AB plus BC. AB plus BC. What is AB? 7.5 and what is BC? 12.7. Now see students, first whenever we will add, we have to see whether these are like decimal or no. See the point, after point 1 decimal place, after point 1. So this one is our like decimal. Now we will add at the separate 7.5 and 12.7. Nothing is there, it means 0. Add them. 5 plus 7, 12, 1, 7 plus 2, 9 plus 1. So that is 20.2 kilometers. So we will write here. You have to show it. That distance traveled by Dinesh. Next person is Ayub. Next person is Ayub. Dinesh we have done, that is 20.2. Next is Ayub. So Ayub from A to B, then he went from D to C. So we will write distance. Next person is Ayub. So I write here Ayub. It means everything is about Ayub. So distance, that is A to D 9.3 kilometer and D to C 11.8 kilometer. So we have to find distance. We will add them. Distance traveled by Ayub. Now we will add them, that is AD plus DC. So AD is 9.3 and DC is 11.8. Again we will add them, 9.3, 11.8. This is your rough work. You have to show that rough work also. 8 plus 3, 11. So that is 21.1 kilometers. So we will write here 21.1 kilometer. Now student, we have to compare it, because in question they were asked who travelled more and by how much. First we have to tell who travelled more. So we have to compare. So we will write on comparing. Now we have to see students, which one is greater, 20.2 or 21.2? We will see from left side. Here is 2, 2. Both are same. Here is 0, here is 1. Which one is greater, 0 or 1? That is 1. So it means 21.1 is greater. So distance travelled by Ayub is more than the Dinesh. So we will write Ayub covered more distance. By. We have to tell this also by how much. Whenever we have to find by how much, it means we have to find difference. Difference. So 21.1 minus 20.2. We have to subtract them. See, 21.1, 20.2. I am going to subtract it. So 1. That will become 11. 11 minus 2 is 9. It becomes 0. So 0.9. So answer is 0.9 kilometer. At the end you will be right. This is our answer. That is Ayub covered more distance by 0.9 kilometer. Students, see question number 8, that is Shama bought 5 kg 300 gram apples and 3 kg and 250 gram mangoes. So there is a person Shyama that bought some fruits, that is apples and mangoes. Then Sarla bought 4 kg 800 gram oranges and 4 kg 150 gram bananas. So these are the items now taken by Sarla and the Shyama. We have to see who bought more fruits. It means we have to compare. First we have to see which one is bigger. So for that we have to convert into a same unit. See the students how we will solve. See students, first we will convert. This one is in kg, that is kilogram. This one is in gram. In your question number 4th also, you have to convert into kilogram. That was your homework. It was same kind, means that part is used. You have to convert it. See, first we will convert 5 kg 300 gram into a kilogram. We will convert into a bigger unit. See how? We will write name Shyama. I will write everything about Shyama. Now weight of apple. First of all, weight of apples. Weight of apple is 5 kg and 300 gram. Students, you know about that is 1 kilogram is equal to 1000 gram. Whenever we have to go from kilogram to gram, we will multiply it. And whenever we have to come from gram to kilogram, means from lower to higher, we will do divide. So similarly, for the conversion of this, we will do divide with 1000. See how? 5, that is in kilogram. So we will not do anything. Plus 300 divide with 1000. Why we divide with 1000? Because we have to convert into kilogram. So 5 plus, here are the 3 zeros. So we will put the point 1, 2, 3, leaving 3 decimal places. So that will become 0.300. Then it is, we have to add them. 5 plus 0.30, we have to convert into like decimal. How? Here after the point, 3 decimal places are there. But here nothing is there. So we will put 0 at the extreme end. How? 5.000, then 0.300. See, 3 decimal places, 3. Both are same. So we can add them. 5.000, 0.300. 5. So it means weight of apple is 5.300 kg. That is the weight of apple. Now we have to see weight of mangoes. Weight of mangoes. See, that is 3 kg and 250 gram. Again 1 kg is equal to 1000 gram. We will divide this with the 1000. So 3 remain as such because it was in kilogram. 250 upon 1000. So 3, 1, 2, 3, leave 3 decimal places, 1, 2, 3. 0.250. Again convert into like decimal. 3 by putting 0 at the extreme end. We will add in similar way. We will get 3.250 kg. That is the weight of mangoes. Now we have weight of apples. We have weight of mangoes. And that both fruits are taken by Shyama. So what is the total weight? We will just add them. So we will write total weight by the fruits taken by the Shyama. We will just add them. 5.300, 3.250 So we add them. 0, 5, 5, 8. So 8.550, that is about Shama. Now I am going to write about Sarla. Sarla has taken oranges and banana. So again change the units and then we will just add them in the similar way. So I am going to write here name Sarla. Now weight of oranges. Weight of oranges 4 kilogram 800 gram. Again 1 kilogram is equal to 1000 gram. So we will divide with 1000. 4 as such. Plus 0.800. Again into like decimal. Add them, we will get 4.800 kg. That is about oranges. Now bananas. Four kg 150 gram. Converting to kg by dividing with 1000. 1000. 4 plus 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 0.150. Again into like decimal by putting 0 at the extreme end. Then add them. So this is the weight of bananas. We have to find total weight. So we will add them. 4.800 plus 4.150. See 4.800, 4.150, 5. That is in kg. So students, now we have to tell who bought more. It means we have to compare them, which one is bigger. So this one is about Shama 8.550 and this is about Sarla. So we will write after doing that, we will write on comparing so which one is bigger, 8.550 or 8.950? See students, 8.950, 8, 8. Here is 5, here is 9. So which one is bigger? 8.950. So who bought more fruits? That is Sarla. So you will be right answer. Who bought more fruits? That is Sarla. Yes students. See question number 9. How much less is 28 kilometer than 42.6 kilometer? See students, whenever there is how much less, it means you have to find the difference between these two, and whenever you have to find difference, you will be right the bigger term first. Out of 28 and 42.6, which one is bigger? That is 42.6. So it means, so you will write solution. For you have to find how much is less. It means that is less, but how much you have to tell the numbers. So we have to find difference. We have to find difference between these two numbers. So what we will do, it's very simple. 42.6 kilometer minus 28 kilometer. That is our difference. Now we have to convert into like decimal. After point 1 decimal places, here is no. So we can put 0. Now it's like decimal. Now just simply subtract them. That is, so answer is 14.6 kilometers. Simply you will be just subtract them. So how much it is less? You will be right. That is less is 14.6 kilometers. So students, your homework is you have to complete exercise 2.5.